In this video, we'll be talking about estimation. Now, estimating is just forming an approximate answer to a numerical problem. My first question is, why is this so important to you as a teacher? The first method we'll talk about is front end with adjustment. So front end, we're just going to add in our head these first numbers, the 100, 300, and 500. That'll give us about 900. And then we'll do the adjustment. That's about 100, and then we got 25 up there. So then we add it all in together and get 10,025. The second one, the front end adjustment, is going to be about 1,000. Then the adjustment on the right, that's going to be about 100 and maybe another 20, so 120. So we'll get 1,120. I'd like you to do the third one to turn into class. The next method is called grouping to nice numbers. It's exactly like it sounds. You're going to find numbers that just group nicely together. So the first one, 24, would group nicely with 79 because that's about 100. And then the other two are about 100, so the estimate would be about 200. The second one, the first one could group with the third one to be about 100. And again, the other two would be about 50, and the last one is about 50. So the estimate would be around 200. I'd like you to do the third one for class. Then there's clustering. If you notice, every number in that first problem is about 7,000. So we have 7,000 times 4 because we have 4 of them. So that would be about 2,800. In the second one, they're all about 3,000. And there's 5 of them, so it would be about 15,000. Again, I want you to do the third one for class. And then our last estimation is rounding. Now with rounding, you can round to the hundreds or the thousands. It just depends on how accurate you want to be. So we could round to the 100s, and that would be 3,400, and 6,900, and that would be about 10,300. Or you could just round to the thousands, which would be about 3,000, added to 7,000, which would be about 10,000. So it just depends on how accurate you want to be. I'd like you to do the last one and turn it into class.